In front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll all the way down. Tap on Vibration and Haptics over here and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can adjust intensity of haptic feedback for incoming calls, notifications, alarms, touch feedback and media by operating all of those sliders. You can also use this switcher next to Vibrate first, then Ring gradually to enable or disable this option. When you finished, go back. Now scroll all the way down and use those two switches next to Charging Sounds and Vibration. And always show icon when in Vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!